In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a deposit with QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing finances for a business or just keeping up with personal accounting, recording deposits accurately is crucial for maintaining clear financial records. Let's dive right into the process. First, if you're not already signed in to QuickBooks Online, you'll want to navigate to their website and click on Sign In. Choose QuickBooks Online from the list of options, and then you'll need to enter your credentials. This includes your username or email and your password. Once you've entered these details, click Continue to proceed. This will take you to your QuickBooks Online homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top left of your screen for the New button. Clicking on this will bring up a menu of different options for your accounting needs. Today we're focusing on deposits, so go ahead and click on Bank Deposit. Now that you're in the bank deposit section, the first step is to add your bank account. This step is essential because it tells QuickBooks where you physically or electronically deposited funds. If you've already added a bank account, you can select it from the list, otherwise follow the prompts to add a new one. QuickBooks makes it easy to set up your bank accounts by guiding you through each necessary field. Once your bank account is added, it's time to select the payments that are included in this particular deposit. These could be customer payments, refunds, or any other type of deposit that goes into your bank. Simply check off the payments that correspond to each deposit you're recording. This step ensures that your records in QuickBooks match up with what's actually reflected in your bank account. After selecting the payments, you'll need to choose where to add funds to this deposit. You'll typically be adding them to an income account, but it's important to verify which account captures this transaction best for your reporting and bookkeeping needs. Always take a second to ensure that this aligns with how your business tracks its income. With all these details squared away, you're ready to finalize the transaction. You can do this by clicking on Save and New at the bottom of the screen. This action records the deposit and refreshes the page so you can immediately enter any additional deposits you might have. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully recorded a deposit using QuickBooks Online, keeping your financial records up to date and accurate. Remember, consistent and accurate bookkeeping is the backbone of strong financial management, and tools like QuickBooks Online make this task more manageable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, keep your finances in check.